In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tasks and workflows 2026. We're going to build a simple, reliable automation in Asana that updates a task's completion status when its due date is approaching, but only if the task is in a specific section. This is perfect for keeping work moving without constant manual check-ins. Start by opening the project in Asana where you want this automation to live. Make sure you have the right permissions to edit project settings. Once the project is open, look to the top right of the screen and open the Customize panel. This is where Asana keeps project-level tools like fields, forms, and the rules we're about to create. If you don't see it, try expanding your window or switching to the list or board view for that project. Inside Customize, go to Rules. Rules are the building blocks for automations in Asana, combining a trigger, optional conditions, and an action. Click Add to create a new rule, then choose Start from Scratch so you have full control over how this rule behaves. We'll define when the rule should run. Click When, then select Triggers. From the list, choose Due Date is approaching. This trigger fires as tasks near their due date. Depending on your workspace settings, you may be able to adjust how soon approaching means. But the key is that Asana will watch due dates so you don't have to. Next, we'll make sure the rule only applies to tasks in the right place. Click Check If to add a condition. Choose Task is in Section, then choose a column or section from your project. In Board View, this will be your column. In List View, it's the section name. Pick the one that makes sense for your workflow, perhaps a working lane like In Progress or a review lane. Then click Done to confirm the condition. Now define what the rule should do. Click Do This and select Change Completion Status to. Choose the completion state that fits your process. For example, you might automatically mark a task complete when its due date hits and it's in a final review section, or set it back to incomplete to reopen attention if it's nearing due. The action you choose is what Asana will apply every time the trigger and condition are met. Finish by clicking Publish Rule. From now on, Asana will monitor tasks in this project and apply the completion status change automatically as due dates approach and the task sits in the section you specified. You can return to Customize, open Rules, and edit or pause this automation anytime. That's it. Your workflow now runs itself, reducing manual updates and keeping your project on track.